What's up, guys? Aaron's here, and the FedEx driver just dropped off the iPhone 11 Pro Max smart battery case. Woo, why do I talk funny sometimes? Who knows? But yeah, cool. So we got it. Again, as you probably seen from my last video, I went ahead and ordered the iPhone previous 10s, put it on the 10. Got a lot of dry because a lot of people were like, oh, it's not going to work, this and that. And then Apple, again, leaks out kind of in a beta that there's probably going to be another smart battery case. And they silently announced it here on Wednesday. I ordered it, Wednesday, and it came here Friday. So here it is, cool, all the glory. We have that hunter green, that nice dark green. And for some of you that ask like what it looks like after a couple months, you definitely see it's getting darker. There you go. Check out my other videos. But cool, we're here to talk about this bad boy. So let's go ahead and get it open, get it on, and discuss it a little bit of what it does and how well it works. So let's get into it here. Take that off, get it open. Now again, if you've had a smart battery before, you know last year they redesigned it to where it's not that crazy big hump and it actually comes off a little more. It is kind of like, it is a silicone style case with that leather style insert there, the same kind of on this. It has that same feel. Obviously, you see the charge port where the lightning cable goes in. We see the speakers cutouts here. It's the black. This is the charcoal, with the blacked out Apple logo. I was cut out. Now the big new feature for this too is, of course, you got the volume rockers, but then added is this magic button. You hear it click. It's a camera button. Obviously, the iPhone 11 Pro Max and the iPhone 11, that little dot there is just the charge indicator. And let's try to get a focus on it. Show where the charge indicator is. But yeah, so pretty much the big thing new added to this is the camera. Oh, the iPhone 11 already has a big battery. Cool. Do I really need to do that? Added to it. Of course, I'm a huge user. Again, most of y'all are probably tracking. I'm in the military. I'm probably kind of rough on cases. How long has this been out now? 2 months. You can kind of see it's got little dings here. We're actually on hand grenades today. So, hey, I'm out there and they get beat up, but they last. I love the cases. But yeah, so I mean, these cases are definitely thick. It's going to add, but it's going to pretty much add 50% battery life to it. I think it's about 1430, I think was the number. So you're looking at, about 1500 more milliamps on the battery. And there we go. Looking at the sides comparisons here. Obviously, volume rockers. Cool. But yeah, so it's going to add about 10 hours of playback. That's how Apple kind of says it. They don't really, talk too much about total time, just 50% extra battery life. One of the coolest features about these smart cases is that it actually drains the case first and then your phone. Hey, well, what if I want to use my phone battery, blah, blah, blah. Well, it's actually cool that it's not using your phone battery, so you're preserving your battery by using these smart cases. You guys probably seen I've used the 10s. I kind of alternate between that battery case, the OtterBox LifeProof, and then the leather cases on the 10 that I used for 2 years. But I love these cases. They definitely improved. It seems like they drastically improved. I know it says 50%, but it seems to me like by the end of the day, I only used up the case and I haven't even touched my battery. All right, so let's get this bad boy slided on and take a look at that then there. Quick correction, I call this hunter green. I call it midnight green. That's the hunter green is this color case over here. All right, but yeah, if you're familiar with the smart battery case, you just kind of bend them back and you slide it in. What's also cool is they added the fast charging capability to the case now. All right, cool. Oh, there's the widget. Again, the smart case. And also kind of did say it's always going to take their battery case. That's not true. It actually takes a little bit of both. So it's going to power up my battery. And sometimes if it needs to use some of that phone battery while it's charging up, and then when it gets to, that 90%, so it actually balances all that, but it's going to, again, majority use that about 1430, the milliamp hours of the battery pack. So let's go ahead and take a look at what the actual, and you can see in the widget here. All right, I got a baby class. You're all going to see the baby class coming up. So again, you see the widget. It says the iPhone, what it was charged at, that smart battery case. And hopefully it jumps up here while we can see it. But it's going to move that battery. It's also going to be using it to while. It's going to charge it and let it take from that at the same time. So that's pretty much it. All right, so obviously, we showed off that. You look at the hump, kind of see what it looks like. Again, when we sit them down by the side, there's still that big change though. You can kind of see the difference there. press them up, take a look at it. Laying flat in my hand. Oh, this desk is a little dirty. Get some little dirt on it. But yeah, I mean, honestly, you know, the phone definitely does feel like a little brick, but with that extra battery life. So let's talk about the new addition here of the camera button. All right, so cool. You just gonna press it and brings it up. Cool, we're ready to take pictures and just kind of like an actual camera. I love my iPhone. I have like 13,000 videos and cameras, obviously using the iCloud. So we'll switch it here. Now, what's also interesting is playing with this. You got the video. So like double tapping it kind of just puts it in this, actually that was a single tap, but yeah, so we started recording and we're in it. And obviously you press it again. So what was interesting, this wasn't actually working the first time I tried to record this. It wasn't actually being that simple. So now it starts recording again. You obviously can take those pictures within it and then you can stop it. So bang, there it is. Cool. So that's a big thing. Obviously, like I take a ton of photos. You can do it up and down too. Start the recording, stop it, go back to photos, take the pictures. So it's definitely quick. Again, you saw what it looks like when it's locked. So that's a pretty big, let's try it again. So yeah, you just kind of, you got to do like a little kind of long press to bring it up for the first time. But still pretty cool. Brings it up. So they add a little dedicated button. So it's not just a smart battery case. It also kind of adds to the iPhone. But yeah, so this is what the little charcoal looks like. There you see the charcoal on the midnight green. Maybe not have the best lighting in this room, so maybe it doesn't show the colors the best. There's that hunter green compared to the black. It's definitely getting darker. Somebody asked about that question. Cutouts, you can see how they stick out. It honestly doesn't feel too bad, doesn't feel too heavy. Still can slide on my pocket pretty easily. But what I'll do is I'm gonna give it a test here. We're gonna run through it, kind of see what that overall battery improvement, you know, again, they're saying it's gonna add about 10 hours. Again, that 1430 size. iOS does a really good job of optimizing the battery, controlling it, controlling the charge. Hopefully you're going to utilize most of the battery, keep that battery healthy on your actual phone. So obviously if you're investing your, you know, $1,300 phone, you know, case is a little pricey at $129.99. Is it worth the money? You may have to stick tuned the review to see that. I'm a big fan of them. So to me, they are worth the money. You know, when it comes to those cheaper knockoffs, 20, 30 bucks, when it comes to batteries and things that explode like those Note 7s, you know, can't go wrong with Apple. But you can always order one off apple.com, give it a shot, and if not, return it. But cool. So there's that. I'm going to edit that out. But yeah, my buddy called me. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Again, $129.99. You can always order it out Apple. Check it out and see if it's for you. Most stores also have return policies if you don't like it. It is a little pricey, but to me, it's worth it. Extend that life. So cool. If you guys thought the video was helpful, sure to like and subscribe. Do a little follow-up here in about a week or two, hopefully maybe about 7-10 days, and we'll check it out, see what I thought over the last week of using the battery case. Again, it just dropped, just came today. Ordered it the day of delivery. So be sure to hit that like button, be sure to hit that subscribe button if you definitely want to stay tuned to that. Appreciate it. Definitely helps to support the channel. Thanks, guys. Take it easy.